I wanted to ask you a little bit about testing just to kind of give our audience more background because it's not a topic we cover a lot. But can you kind of explain a little bit more detail when you say testing? What do you mean? Like, what kind of role do you play in the testing process, and how is that really transforming the validation of connected products?
If you look at any connected product stack, you've really got three layers to it. You've got the device, the firmware with the device, you've got the connectivity piece, and then you've got the software, the application, and the platform. In the early stages of IoT, all the attention has been on the device and making sure they're connected. The software is where the value is being delivered to the customer. Consequently, the entire user experience, the commercial value of most connected products today is derived from that. So that's where the importance of software testing really starts coming in, because consequently, if anything goes wrong, there is a price to pay. Now, the problem with connected software compared to other types of software before is it is a distributed. You have some pieces of software that's running on the cloud, some is running on the edge. It's very dynamic, unlike the other parts of a connected solution, which is reasonably stable. And also to test for them, you now need to be able to test them for various data conditions, various network conditions, various load conditions. So it's a pretty complex beast, and it manifests itself in multiple ways. I mean, imagine you, for example, are trying to do a remote start on your vehicle on a winter morning. If it doesn't sort of trigger off because of a variety of reasons, it causes you discomfort as a customer. And imagine it's 9 a.m. and a million people across the country are doing that at the same time. There is latency, then there's an issue. You have over-the-air updates of software happening on devices. You downloaded a software update and your device freezes because the update didn't happen properly. So because of the spread out nature, the number of things that can go wrong in this ecosystem has consequently increased. So which is why software testing in particular is increasingly becoming important for at least the folks who are, industry leaders in the various segments of connected products that we see.
That validation, that testing is really becoming kind of make or break factor for connected product success and even user trust in this landscape that we're seeing today.
Absolutely. So, like the examples I gave you, I mean, each of those examples are tested. In many cases, those are B2C examples, but B2B products have an even more stringent demands on that. You're a smart metering software provider. You've got to make sure that you're certified for the scale. A medical device company, they were hitherto not connected, now they're connected. You cannot afford failure. So the consequences of failure are greater and many depending on the nature of business you are in.